There it is, guys. Got the front end together. New lights. New lift kit underneath it. Painted the rims. Put a nice shine on the buffed it out and sanded it. Named it the Beast. Lifted the back. Obviously with the lift kit. And you can see it in there, kind of see it in there. There's the new engine. All ready to go. New fuel pump, bigger carb, bigger engine. There's the air intakes for the engine right there. There's that red lever is how I shift it. There's a choke lever. Originally the choke was up here. I had to move it down here with a lift kit. Lower it down. There's my panel, the key switch, the switch for the blower, switch for lights. I got a power port right here. This back seat on it. It flips over to like a flatbed, like a truck. There's a rear foot for the base for the passenger. You can see the plate right there for the lift kit, that big triangular plate. That's all part of the lift kit. You can see the panhard bar coming from it, rear end. Rear end is basically just like that in a car. So, come around this side. You can see the Beast on there again. These tires are 22 by 10 by 8. So they're 22 inches high, 10 inches wide, and they're on an 8-inch rim. With deep, I just got hubcaps on it. I got actual, gonna put actual aluminum rims on it here next. You can see underneath there a new driven clutch assembly. The engine has a new drive clutch. That switch there, that works the lights. And that little chrome switch out there works the blower system. Right up front here, we're back to front. You can see the front wheels, all the marked clearance lights on it. Front wheel, you can see the clearance. This is a 6-inch lift kit, but I got 22-inch diameter tires. So the distance from the floor to the ground is about 18 inches. So this car's been raised about 15 inches over stock. That's what the lift kits do. You can see right there the distance. So she runs quiet, runs great. New clutches, like I say. There is a horn button right there. You can see the horn button. There's my horn, as a matter of fact. You can see it right there. So it's all tied down. Just got to load a few other things. It's ready to go up north. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates. This is the reason I feature this. This is my drone hauler when I'm up north. I use this to haul my drones around. So feel free to check it out and give me a thumbs up and give me a comment, please. Thank you very much. Bye bye.